Hi, I'm Logan with Betenbough Homes, and today we're going to look at how to change the temperature on your thermostat and how to set a custom schedule. The first thing you'll want to do is decide what temperatures you'd like when you're at home, when you're away, and when you're at home and asleep. Right now we have all of them set for between 60 and 70, so we can show you how to change those. In order to change those, you can cycle through your mode and change your heat and change your cool settings and have it to where they are in between your two preferred settings. When I'm home, I like things anywhere between 68 and 72 degrees. And so let's just go ahead and change that right now. So we'll go to our heat. Let's go back up to 68 and to 72. And in order to change those, you just hold the home button here for about 3 seconds until those temperatures blink. So now we'll see that home is between 68, 72, and our away and sleep are still remain unchanged. When we're away, I don't mind if during the winter it cools down a little bit, and so I will go ahead and set it on about 63. And then in the summer, I don't mind if things get a little bit warm, about 78 or so. And so we'll see our range has changed a little bit, so I'll hold away again until those blink, and that's now programmed. Now when I sleep, I like things a little bit cooler, so I will like this maybe closer to about 65 or so. And we'll go ahead and bring our AC down to about 70 as well. So I'll hold that on the sleep again until those numbers blink. So you'll see that all of our settings are a little bit different for each preferred time frame. Now that we have different settings for home, away, and sleep, you'll want to start to schedule those based on your schedule. So you'll notice 3 buttons down here: days, periods, and start times. Let's go ahead and just press days, and you'll see the 3 options that we have. You can schedule things for every day, weekdays, or just weekends. Let's go ahead and just focus on all days today. But you'll notice that there are 4 periods in here that you can schedule. So period 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go to period 1. Let's say you wake up at, let's say 6 o'clock. So we can change this from 6:30 to 6. So right now we can change the hour, or we can hit start time again and change the minutes. So let's bring that down in increments of 15 minutes to 6 o'clock. Now if we want to change period 2 to say when we go to work, let's go hit period 2 more times till we are at period 2. Let's say that we go to work at about 7:30. So we'll hit the start time here, come down to 7 and up to 7:30. Now let's say we get home about 4 o'clock, so we'll go to period 3 and change our start time to 4 o'clock. And now that we're home, we're enjoying time with our family, let's say we go to bed at about 11 o'clock, and so we'll change our start time to 11 o'clock. When we're done, we'll just hit the done button. So now this is programmed. You'll see there's a temporary hold right here. It's because right now we're on our sleep setting, and that is outside of what's scheduled in this thermostat. So it's 2 o'clock, so it thinks that we should be away at work. So if we go to away, you'll notice that temporary hold goes away. So anytime you come home early or come home from a lunch, you can come, even while this is closed, you can hit these buttons and change your settings accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or questions or would like to request a future topic, please leave a comment down below.